Today we want to show you how to remove the complete bolt from an SR30 and set them in easily again. So for removing the bolt, open it, the bolt handle with a little pressure in the back, set them not up to the white, so the bolts will fall in, push the button on the side and remove the bolt. So you see, the bolts will fall in and it's all easily to remove. So if you come while cleaning on this bottom and the bolt handle goes in the middle position or in the forward, the bolts are out and they don't fall in, and so it's not easy to set them back in the receiver. So for set them back easily, hold the bolt here, the handle in the middle position, and that a little bit way back, so this round come out, and then push the bottom up the white is seen. So if you see this from the side, we have two locks, and it's the back lock then. So in this position, pull the knob here, set the bolt back in, see that the rail fits, and then push the bottom back so the red is seeing, and then you see the bolts have pressure and it's lock, ready to fire, lock but not ready to fire.